Hello guys, it's me again, your lady, presenting to you Moneyren. Moneyren is a cryptocurrency platform, is a channel that reviews cryptocurrency. What I mean by cryptocurrency, I'm talking about the reliable one that you're not going to throw your money away. Alright, no scamming here, okay? I'm being faithful and I'm being truthful to you. I'm just having on YouTube. I've been reluctant about YouTube, but I just took the boldness. I said, okay, let me bring it on YouTube. Also, it has always been on Facebook. My review has always been on Facebook. You can check out my page Moneyren on Facebook. You can check up my chat room. We have a lot of members that are following us, that we are making money together under Forsage, under Lion Shade. That today I'm presenting to you Eth. Eth is a cryptocurrency platform based on Ethereum blockchain, and it is a crowdfunding platform. Look at it here. It is a crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is a way of contributing money to ourselves. There's nobody that's going to contribute money for you if you don't do it for yourself. Now in this platform, I want to teach you how I call golden triangle. Now, and how can you use golden triangle and become a multi-millionaire? Because I am going to do golden triangle. This platform Eth is going to start tomorrow in the evening Nigeria time, and I'll be dropping the link for you to join, but for you to become so much rich, because I'm assuring you that with little money you're going to be so rich. I want you to do, if you have the money, you can try it. And if you can have the downline, you can tell all your downline how many downlines do you need? 14. Let me show you. Look at it here. Do you see this? Golden triangle is you here, and you here. That is you one. Other golden triangle is this person here, this person here, this person here, this person here. That is this is your second downline. The third downline is this one here, this one here, this one here. Fourth downline is this one here, this one here, this one here. Fifth downline is this one here, this one here, this one here. That means you are going to have just 5 downlines, all of them doing golden triangle. Let me break down again, because this Eth is a game of 2. Okay, normally you're supposed to just come on your own and pay 10,000, which is 0.04 Ethereum, which is equivalent to just 10,000. So now you here and your 2 downlines pay the same thing. This is a normal way of coming in, because it is a game of 2. If you know you cannot have 2, please don't come. Okay, so that means in that case, instead of you to just pay 10,000 or equivalent of 0.04 Ethereum, and because when I'm saying 0.04, forget about gas fee. You're not going to pay that exorbitant gas fee anymore. All right, because this program is not a registered smart contract, so they have taken away that bondage of paying a lot of gas fee. So you're not going to pay any gas fee. It's going to be wallet to wallet. Okay, so the normal one is you come here and your 2 downline, and the 2 downline now bring 2 again, and the 2 now bring 2 again, and the down 4 people bring 2. This time around, you're not going to do like that. You're going to do you here. That means you're not going to pay 10,000. You're going to use 30,000. You register yourself here and here and here. As soon as these 2 comes in, the same you're going to receive money. Okay, then your next downline is going to be this person here, standing here. Remember, it's a golden triangle. This one and this one, this one and this one. People from US are doing it. Africa, let's wake up and join crypto space and become wealthy. Okay, now that means this person, that means you're going to tell all your downline that they are going to make golden triangle. That means instead of them coming in as a single account, they use 3 accounts. All right, now after you've gotten 111, that's you have formed your own golden triangle. Then you now brought in this, assuming this is John. That John now brought 1. Now John now registered himself 3 times. John 1, John 2, 1, John 2. That is, John has formed a golden triangle. You understand? Then assuming this is Luke now came in and formed a golden triangle again. Assuming this is Samuel come in and form a golden triangle. Assuming this is Gloria comes in and form a golden triangle. That is the end of your matrix. You're not going to get any other person again. Then they cannot continue on a golden triangle forever. So many people are going to become wealthy. I'm talking about wealth. In a month, you can make 13. Let me show you. Let's go there. You can make, with that, you can make 13.565 times 3 times. That means you will make here, this same you will make here, this same you will make here. So 13.65, that is how much. Calculated is close to $11,000 11 Ethereum. Sorry. Let's what is worth doing is worth doing well. I'm trying to use my phone to calculate. Okay, I'm looking for my calculator. Please hold on for me, because see, this business in fact is a gift. I've been telling people that smart contract is a gift. 13.65 times 3, you're gonna get 40. Jesus, you're gonna get 40.9 Ethereum. How much is 40 point? Assuming that Ethereum is 385 times 385, that's about 15,700 and something dollars in a month. So guys, I want us to try golden Ethereum. Please call me on 0803 700 4200. I'm going to drop my link, the link of one of my group for you. Join the link and ask me questions. Let's go together. Remember, in WinEth, you're not paying money into any company. All money gets into our individual wallet, and as soon as you receive money in your wallet, you can spend. Okay, it's your money. Nobody is holding money. You're going to use Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet. It is worldwide. WinEth is worldwide. Let us not make this mistake of allowing these opportunities to pass. Okay, if you've been doing cryptocurrency for years and years and years and you've been losing, they've been scamming you, telling you to come and do mining, come and do forex trading, and you'll be losing. This one, I promise you, my name is Queen Olive. I promise you, are going to make millions. Only follow my instructions. If you don't refer, you cannot earn. Okay, no referral, no earning. You've got to refer 2 persons, but if you are doing golden triangle, you have to refer 4 persons that are going to do golden triangle. Look at you did golden. This person did this person. You need 4 people that will do golden triangle. This first person is going to be so wealthy. Before we talk about this, before you talk about this, is a commitment. You can see, let me tell you the truth, no money falls from above. No money resurrect from the ground. You've got to work out your salvation with tremble. If you want to get out of this stupid economy and be wealthy and get fleet of cars, you are going to make it. Do what I just tell you. If you do golden triangle, you ever be grateful that I have showed you this. How much is golden triangle? You are coming in with 30,000. You pay 10 here. This one pay 10. This one pay 10. That is your golden triangle. Then you now bring in 4 persons that have golden triangle just like you. Mwah! You become wealthy. Kudos. Let's watch it out and let's work together with this. Yeah, this is a bomb. Please contact me 0803 700 4200. Let me get you down to the game. You're not going to pay any money to me. You're going to have your Trust Wallet, fund it with Ethereum if you are doing golden triangle 0.04 times 3. Then as soon as I give you the link, you register. Let's build a team together. I'm going to build a team. I promise you, if you follow me, we are going to build it together. We are going to make it great. All right. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to make a review again on this, because tomorrow is a day. Please stay tuned on this channel. Like this channel, subscribe. Please turn on the notification bell. Like and subscribe. Please encourage me so I can do more than this. Okay, thank you for watching this video to the end.